squat toss. This is a fun way to warm up your squats and get a little bit of hand-eye coordination happening. For this exercise, I would start with a light dumbbell. Make sure that you are working on a surface that if the dumbbell drops, it's not going to be the end of the world. So what we're going to do here is we're going to have Michelle go into a slightly wider than shoulder stance squat. We're going to have her squat down 90 degrees, keeping those knees nice and aligned over those ankles. Nice flat back, beautiful. With that dumbbell down below her legs, getting ready to swing up. As she comes up into standing position, she's going to exhale, bring that dumbbell forward, and let it go in the air and switch hands. Perfect. Exhaling up, switch down. Beautiful. You can see her back arm, the arm that's not doing anything, is just coming out behind her nice and straight. Beautiful. Michelle, let's do some to the side just to show them your nice squat form. Perfect. See, nice flat back, pushing that tailbone out and up. She's not throwing that dumbbell out of reach. It's not going far forward. It's not going far up in the air. She's got good coordination. Perfect. Excellent. That's great, Michelle. That, my friends, is a squat toss.